Durastill manual fill 12-gallon per day water distiller. Durastill stands out from its competition by offering its users with variety. It is evident from its manual 12 gallons per day water distiller. The unit also has an automatic variant, proving that this brand cares for the needs of its various users. That said, this manual water distiller is as good as any other you will find in the market. While most of the features require a hands-on approach, this model is no less exceptional than any automatic variant that you will come across. You will love this in the kitchen if you are a cooking enthusiast. Its features offer a lot of convenience in kitchen activities, be it preparing lunch, cleaning the dishes, or washing the ingredients. This water system can do it all. Its heating element, made from stainless steel, is a valuable addition. You can use it to clean off hard sediments from your dishes, or fill your cooking bowl with hot water. The water system can plug with any regular outlet of 110 or 120 volts. Also, while you will need to fit this unit manually, you will not require assistance from a plumber. Surprisingly, this device boiler switches off automatically. That said, you will need to turn this distiller off manually. Check the water level gauge regularly to make sure that it does not overfill. Features: convenient water level gauge and faucet. Storage tank made from stainless steel. Manual fitting, almost 7 inches in height. 1500 watt heating element. Pros: continuous water flow. Solid build, excellent for cooking enthusiasts. Outstanding durability. Cons: you will need to check the water level gauge frequently.